Hi friends, welcome. So today we are going to make a 3D text in Blender. So we can start it. Now press Shift A. You could see a menu. In that menu you could see an option called text. Click that. So a default text is added to a Blender screen. Now go to edit mode by clicking tab and change your text you want. After changing the text, click R and then click X and then click 90° in your numpad. So the text will rotate to 90°. Like this you could see. Now in the properties section, in that option, object data properties you could see. Click that. So a menu will appear there. In that menu, you could see an option called geometry. Click that. In that option extrude, increase the value of extrude. So the text will extrude now. Now I am giving 0.3. After that in the option bevel, in that depth, increase the value of depth. So the text will now get smoother. I am giving 0.1. So you could see our change in text. Now press Shift D to duplicate the text, and for the duplicated text increase the depth more. Like this. Now press G and press Y, so the text will move in Y axis. Adjust the position. Now for the first text, I am going to change the font style. For that, in object data properties, the option click font. In that you could see a folder icon. Click that. So you could select the font style you want. So I am giving another font style. So I given the link for this font in the description. Please check out it. After clicking the text, click open font. Now this style is added to our text. Now for the duplicated text also you can change it. Go to the folder where you kept that font and click open font. That's it. For the two texts we added this style. Now a pretty text is ready. Now we can add a color to our first text. For that, go to Material Properties. In that, click a new layer. For seeing the change of the color, I am going to Material Preview mode. And I am changing the base color. Now I am giving a little pink color for the first text. Like that, change the color of the duplicated text also. In the second text, I am changing the base color for a yellow color. You could see our text color now. Now we can change some properties. For that, click the first text. In that you could see a option roughness. Decrease the value of roughness. After decreasing the roughness, you could see the change. Now I am increasing the specular. So the changes you could see very well. Like that, change the property for the duplicated text also. Decrease the roughness. and increase the specular. So you could see the change for the duplicated text also. Now click A for selecting all the objects. Now press G and press X. Now we can add a plane. So press Shift A in that mesh. Click plane. So you could see a plane is hiding the half of the text. So first we can scale this plane. For that click yes. And you can scale it in every position. And now press G and press Z. So a plane is moving to Z axis. Now it is not hiding our text. Now press S and press X for scaling the plane. Now we can give the color for this plane also. For that go to material preview. In that add a new layer, base color. So you can give any color you want. I am giving a purple color for this. Now I am going to world properties. You could see a menu there. In that menu you could see an option called color. In that color click the circle. In the textures give environment texture. Now you could see an option open. Click that and add the HDR file you want. So I given the link for this HDR file in the description. Please check out it. Now the HDR file is added to the Blender screen. For viewing this, you could go to the rendered mode. So you could see a beautiful text now. Now if you need more lights means we can add that. For that press Shift A, that option light, click there area. So area is added now. Press yes to scale the area and press G, press Z to move the light in Z axis. Now go to object data properties for this light and you could see the power is 10 volt. Now we can increase it. I am giving now 50. So the power is now 50. You could see that the light is giving the light very well. You can adjust the position. You can also increase the value. I am giving 100 but I need only 50, so I am giving 50. And after making all of this, we can change the position for the light, adjust the position, then we can add a camera also. For that, press Shift A and you could see an option camera, click that. And now you could see a camera is added here. Now press Alt Ctrl 0 to make the camera in our position. You can change the position for the camera. After saving this all, we can render this image. For that, go to the tab rendering, click F12. So our image is now rendered. You can save this image and view well. Now a beautiful text is ready. You could see the stylish text here. So friends, we made a 3D text in Blender. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.